Today I am going to show you how to make this simple, easy, and affordable makeup look. So hello and welcome to my channel. I am starting off with my skincare all done and my face is bare. And the first thing that I'm going to do is tie up my hair with a scrunchie because I don't want it getting in my face. Now that that's all set, I am going to use a BB cream, and this is the one that I am using, and I like it because the finish is very natural. It's not too cakey, but it also mattifies your skin, and it's also the most fascinating thing ever because it starts off white as you're seeing, and then it sort of transforms into a skin tone, and it matches my skin color quite perfectly. I don't use a primer because I don't find it necessary. And the one thing is, this does take a little while to blend in. And then after that, I go in with my brows. I can never skip on this. This particular pencil makes it super easy to fill in my brows. It doesn't stay on the best, but it definitely makes it very, very quick. And so I just go in. I mostly concentrate on the outer portions of my eyebrows because those are the parts that are lacking in hair. And of course, I do both sides. This brush also has a spoolie on the end, so I will sometimes use that to soften up the eyebrows. After that, I go in with this contouring palette, and I actually use the contouring shades as eyeshadow because it looks very natural, and for those natural days, it's perfect. So I just go in with a darker color in my crease on both sides, and then I don't show this in the video, but sometimes I'll go in with a lighter color on the actual eyelid to brighten it up. Now, of course, I cannot forget my highlighter. I use this e.l.f. one, and I literally get compliments every time, and it's only like $3. So I put it in the inner corner of my eyes, and it brightens them up automatically. And of course, the brow bone slightly. And I also go under my eye, as you will see in a second, because I find that it gives a really, really cute appearance. I'm just putting some lip gloss on in the middle of this. Usually I do this at the end, but I don't know. And then I take a fluffier brush and I put it on my cheekbones very lightly. I used to go crazy heavy with this, but now just a little bit. I use my finger for my nose because it makes it shinier. Then I go in with this eyeliner, and this is like the best eyeliner I've ever tried, even better than Kat Von D's eyeliner in my opinion. And I really struggle with this, so yeah, struggling, and then I run over to the mirror so I could press my face up against it. And here I am with two beautiful cat eyes, and now I am curling my eyelashes like a regular person. This time around I'm using this mascara. Usually I use a different one. I'm not sure what it's called, but mine dried out because I've had it for a really long time and I used all of it up. So this one will do for now, and you know, using mascara like normal, top lashes, and then the bottom lashes. And of course, repeat on the other side. Okay, all done. And finally, I use this NYX matte finishing spray all over my face. So good. And that is the look. So now it is time to let down the hair. Now, I really like this makeup look because it takes barely any time to finish. It looks super natural, and it just sort of enhances my face naturally without looking cakey, and it is all super affordable using pretty much only drugstore products. The few things that were a little bit more pricey, there are definitely dupes out there. I just happen to have these on hand. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and all of the products that I used will be linked down in the description if they are still available. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!